On Tuesday, the long-awaited USPS contract for creating next-generation delivery vehicles was not awarded to fan-favorite electric last-mile delivery vehicle company Workhorse. This company's stock has seen tremendous gains since last summer, with the prospects of being awarded all or some of the large $6 billion USPS contract. Over just the past year, the stock went from a low of around $1 to all-time highs of over $40, mainly fueled by the general market excitement for electric vehicles, plus the potential of being awarded the USPS contract. However, on Tuesday, after learning that Workhorse was not selected as the winner, Workhorse stock plummeted about 50%. Are all hopes lost for this company? Can the stock ever recover? We'll be going over the outlook for Workhorse and what you should do with your Workhorse positions. So let's get started. Hello everyone, this is Chris with MC Stocks. Remember to subscribe and hit the like button for more videos like this one. And as always, please remember to do your own due diligence when investing and seek a financial advisor for professional advice. So it's the news no Workhorse investor wanted to hear. After months of speculation and waiting for a USPS contract award winner announcement, the contract in the end was awarded to Oshkosh Defense. This sent the stock price into a deep dive as soon as the news broke out. But aside from the clear disappointment of not winning a large government contract, what does this tell us about Workhorse? And what does this tell us about those who were invested? Fundamentally, nothing has particularly changed about the company and its business. The company will still produce the same products and did not lose any of their existing contracts. The future outlook likewise has not shifted too differently either. With the USPS contract, Workhorse could have secured a stable, secure revenue stream over the 10-year time span of the contract from the US government. A setup like this would have made it very obvious that Workhorse stock will be able to steadily grow over the years. But without the contract, investors will need to do a bit more digging into Workhorse's business to see what potential may lie in the company's future. Workhorse was one of many electric vehicle stocks in 2020 that grew massively over investor eagerness to pour money into a new sector. On top of this, Workhorse experienced several buy-the-hype phases in their stock's 2020 timeline, as dates for the expected USPS contract announcement kept getting pushed. Each time the supposed date for the contract decision date neared, we could see big surges in the stock price in anticipation. But then it would fall back to support levels after learning of announcement delays. Now with the actual news of the contract award not going as Workhorse investors hoped, the expected huge sell-off occurred. But what does this tell us about Workhorse? First, we can reason that the majority of investors who sold off their shares of Workhorse were mainly interested in the possible short-term gains that could have been made with a successful announcement. However, do note that not even those short-term gains are guaranteed, even with the contract being awarded to Workhorse because of the infamous buy-the-hype, sell-the-news trend. Even with the news of a contract being awarded, traders following this trend would choose to cash out with profits and move on to the next hype stock. And with this being negative news released, traders were more inclined to sell off their shares. But this event alone truly does not define how Workhorse will perform in the future. The company was not bound by the results of one large contract. So what can we determine about Workhorse? What is most notable is the fact that the stock is currently stabilized around the support level prices that we saw over the summer, between the $15 to $20 range. This is great to see, especially since the stock could technically have fallen all the way back down to the penny stock prices Workhorse had just had a year ago. This is a good indicator telling us that there are still quite a few investors still holding onto their shares with the conviction that the company's stock will recover and perform in the longer term. Some investors may even consider this dip a buying opportunity. We released this community poll asking what you were doing with your shares, and the good majority of those who were invested actually responded saying that they were buying more Workhorse shares during this dip. If you don't want to miss one of our surveys, make sure that you're subscribed on our channel so that you'll see our posts on your YouTube feed. Furthermore, Workhorse released its press statement saying that they have requested additional information from the USPS and are awaiting a response at this time. They go on stating that they intend to explore all avenues that are available to non-awarded finalists in a government bidding process. So who knows? Maybe some positive news can come out of these efforts for Workhorse's benefit. But only time will tell. Just as we were recording this video, we just got news that a House Democrat in Congress has vowed to stop the USPS contract with Oshkosh Corporation. And this news just bumped up the stock price 15%. So it's definitely going to be a very interesting few weeks here for Workhorse stock as these events continue to develop. So stay tuned on our channel for the latest details. Now let's get back to our video. But what we do know is that we have the upcoming earnings report on March 1st, where they will discuss their quarterly and year-end financial and operational results. This will give us insight into how much the company has been affected by the pandemic and give us a benchmark for how much better they can perform in quarters to come. With the contracts that they currently hold and the ones that they can potentially win in the future, recovery of Workhorse stock is not unimaginable, but it may take some time. Today's prices may or may not look like a bargain when we look back in the next few months and years. If you're looking to buy shares of Workhorse and you need a brokerage, be sure to use our referral links for M1 Finance in the description below. M1 Finance is doing a great offer currently where you can get a free $30 using our referral link. So use the link below, earn an easy $30 and don't miss out. Good luck everyone with your holdings and stay tuned on our channel for any news regarding Workhorse stock. Thank you for watching today's video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to get notified when we release our next video. Please like and share for more videos similar to this one, and comment below with any questions that you may have so that we can address them in future videos. Thanks.